This is the muffler from a 2007 Moomba Outback V. As you can see, it's fiberglass. It has been repaired at some point. That wasn't by me. That was from somebody else. And basically this muffler has been leaking, so I've taken it out. I'm doing a muffler delete. And you know, I don't know much about these boats. I'm not too familiar with them, but there is metal on the inside. And anyway, I'm just curious as to the design of this muffler. So, you know, why is it made out of fiberglass? It seems to me stainless steel would be better, but anyway, if you know, let me know in the comments. But I'm curious what's inside. So, Moomba Outback V muffler. It has an Indmar, 315 horse engine. It's basically just a small block Chevy. But anyway, I'm going to cut this muffler in half and see what it's like on the inside. Oh, and the reason I'm destroying it is, as I said, it leaks, but it's also, you know, it's either been heat damaged or, and there is moving parts inside. So anyway, it's pretty much toast. Okay, so I've never seen the inside of a muffler like this. This is, of course, a wet muffler, so water and exhaust are mixed in. Huh, interesting. I believe this is the inlet. So exhaust would come through there, go in here. You can see the hole in the middle. And this is a bit shorter. So basically just diverts it there, gets into this main chamber, and then it would go out the side. So that probably isn't supposed to be loose like that. I'm not sure. On this side here, interesting. So somebody must have actually cut this open previously to repair it, because this is all fiberglass. Anyway, pretty simple muffler. Exhaust comes in here, crosses over, gets into the main chamber, and goes in out these other ports. That's about all there is to it. So pretty straightforward. Still seems like something they could make out of stainless steel. Maybe on the really fancy ones, that's how it is now. Anyway, as I said, I'm doing a muffler delete and a FAE, fresh air exhaust, on the Moomba, so that'll be in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching.